Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents these 4 awesome plants that will improve every process in your body. The Cherokee, a Native American tribe, believed that they have a gift to recognize the medicinal plants. They trusted the healing benefits of nature's herbs. There are some of the plants that still exist and were used by the Cherokee tribe. Blackberry. This herb is full of vitamins including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin and even folate. Not only they have calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and zinc, but they are also an excellent source of dietary fiber and amino acids. In addition to this, they can be a cure for any condition. They can be a cure for an upset stomach, or a strong tea from the root of blackberry can help you to reduce swelling of tissue and joints. The decoction of the roots sweetened with honey is a great cough syrup. Also, chewing the leaves of a blackberry can soothe bleeding gums. But that is not all. There are some other health benefits such as better digestion, strengthened immune system, healthy functioning of the heart, prevention of tumors, relief from endothelial dysfunction. Mint. Mint is an herb which has antioxidant benefits. It contains magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber and phosphorus, potassium. According to the Cherokee, this herb is great for digestion or for lowering the high blood pressure. They used a blend of stems and leaves to reduce the high blood pressure. If you want to soothe itchy skin, the leaves need to be crushed and used as cold compresses, made into ointments, and even added to your bath. Mullen. Mullen is a herb that has the power to soothe asthma and chest congestion. It can help to soothe the mucous membranes, or you can make a warm decoction and soak your feet in to reduce swelling and joint pain. According to the Cherokee, inhaling the smoke from burning mullein roots and leaves can help you to calm your lungs and open up pathways. You can make a tea which has mild sedative effects from mullein flowers. Hummingbird blossom. This herb was used by the Cherokee for treating cysts, fibroid tumors, inflammation, or mouth problems. The Cherokee would steep the leaf and flowers in boiling water for about 5 minutes, then drink the tea while it is still warm. It was also used for treating enlarged lymph nodes, enlarged spleens, hemorrhoids, menstrual bleeding, inflamed tonsils. This Native American tribe used so many plants as natural cures. They were able to recognize them and reduce their own diseases and pain. I think that this is a great way to cure some conditions or diseases. It is natural and you do not have to pay a lot of money to try them. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.